Hi and welcome to our session on Anzac biscuits. Today I'm going to focus on the process that we make to make Anzac biscuits, as that part of April is coming up. Anzac biscuits are a great snack to use and to have available in the family. What we have for Anzac biscuits, the ingredients includes rolled oats, sugar, butter, coconut, plain flour, golden syrup and bicarb soda as the raising agent. So it's very simple. You just add the dry ingredients together. It's a great recipe to make with your family, with young kids. And once you've got your dry ingredients together, you give them a really good stir. Once they're all mixed through, just make a well in the middle of your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients, which is your butter and your golden syrup. We heat them together. Until the butter and the golden syrup dissolve together. When they've dissolved together, we actually add a tablespoon of hot water to the bicarb soda. Add that together, it will froth up, and then we add it into the mixture. Okay, the butter and the golden syrup mixture have melted together. And what I've done is I've added the tablespoon of water to the bicarb soda. I'm going to add that in to the butter mixture, and it will froth up. I'll try and show you what that looks like. It's pretty fast reaction, so hopefully you can see that there. And what we do now is we'll add this straight in to our dry mix. And we'll mix this together. Once this is mixed together, we will form them into balls and flatten them just slightly on the tray and pop them in the oven. And here we have the biscuits ready to go in the oven. The recipe says that it makes 24, it's pretty true to form. Space them out 12 to a tray so that they've got room to move, remembering that they've got bicarb soda in the mixture so the biscuits will spread a bit. They take about 20 minutes to cook in a 180 degree preheated oven. So we'll pop them in the oven and see what they look like on the other side. So here you have the finished product. I'll just get the other tray out. So you can see that the biscuits have spread, and they've actually only taken 15 minutes in the oven to cook. They're a nice golden brown. The biscuits are quite soft as they come straight out of the oven, but they will harden up as they cool down. They're a great family-friendly activity that you can do and make together with children of all ages. From making the biscuits and then enjoying them. I hope you have fun making these. these biscuits in the lead up to Anzac Day.